That's got decent video quality. It just took hella to load. And yeah, 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 yeah. We don't need to do that again. We need to do this. Go to Rumble. Y'all know to go check out the Rumble. Shout out to the Rumble link. That's mainly where you can keep up with our big homie Triple B too. So check out our Rumble and then go check out some of the Odin Seed Company's Rumble. And then he's also got his regular Triple B Farms Rumble. So y'all know to go check out that big homie. Get y'all some genetics. Don't ask me where they at. I'll tell you where they at. Definitely got to upload this video though. You know. Alright, so let's see. We'll put the at SPIDRPIGG. That was a triple, but are you keeping up with your boy? Are you looking at the work we be putting in? Shout out to just putting in the work because we gonna do it live. Shout out to the Homework 2025 because that's what we doing. You see what I'm saying? Hey, what he say? Sip it on serve because I love the lead. High as fuck is a puff of green. Yeah. Don't lay your ass down, Precious. You all bugaboo status today? I don't nobody care. She just got a haircut, so she feeling herself. She running around bugabooing me. But anyways, let's see. Click the upload button. Accept our terms and conditions. Now we can go back over here to the cultivation website. Y'all know to go check out the Team DWC, www.teamwc.info. Yeah, keep up with your boy in case YouTube ever boots me. If not, hit the buy me a coffee link and become a member. That way you'll keep up with me anyways, right? Right. Start back posting regularly over there this month because we was trying to take it easy on them winter months because we had other stuff going on. But now we ready to grow. So shout out to today's video topic. What's we gonna have ready to grow? We got some videos to review. Well, we showing y'all the website because y'all can go over there and appreciate that. You did at least give me some website views because then it'll be worth the money that I invested in it, right? Shout out to having that done though, because you got to put in your own work, do your homework. Shout out to Homework 2025. Hell, that was the easy one. We knocked that out. Workbook was 2024. 2025 is homework. 2026 will probably be popular reviews. Go back through my popular videos and re-review them. Start reviewing myself so that way people saying I ain't stealing content because I'm reviewing the content I already stole with what should be my content. Yeah, I don't get why they say what they say. Hell, it's a review channel. Shout out to putting in them reviews. Let's see, we're going to the to-do list. This mug is fire today. Shout out to that. And we'll play from here.